Hey guys, how's it going? This is Everything Crypto here. I'm going to be showing you guys how to purchase Baby Doge Coin. First, you guys going to want to go on your guys' web browser and then go on this website called CoinGecko. Once you guys are on this website, you guys are going to want to go on that search bar and type in Baby Doge. So as you guys can see, it appears right here as Baby Doge Coin. You guys are going to want to go ahead and scroll down to where it says Show Info. Go ahead and click on Show Info. And then where's this contract, you guys are going to want to click on that, and it's going to go ahead and copy. Where's this click to copy, go ahead and click on that. And then after that, you guys are going to want to go to this other website. It's called Pancake Swap. So this is basically a website where you guys are going to go ahead and do the transactions, where you guys are going to go ahead and swap it. So you guys are going to go ahead and click on Wallet Connect. I'm going to be using my Trust Wallet. As you guys can see, it shows two options, Wallet Connect and Trust Wallet. We want to go ahead and click on Wallet Connect, and then from here, then we go ahead and click on Trust, which is the same as Trust Wallet. So now we're going to go ahead and click on Connect, and now we're going to go ahead and go back to our web browser. As you guys can see on the top right corner, it says, you guys can see on the little wallet next to the right arrow, that means it's connected. On the bottom, you guys are going to see that says trade, earn, win, and NFT. We're going to go ahead and click on trade. And then as you guys can see, my wallet is connected because where it says BNB, it has balance. So where it says select currency, I'm going to go ahead and paste the address you guys copied. Well, the address I copied in earlier. Go ahead and paste it. And as you guys can see, it shows Baby Doge. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And then from the where it says from, I'm going to go ahead and click on max. But since I don't have enough BNB, I have a very small amount. I'm going to go ahead and type it in manually. So I'm going to go ahead and type 0.006. And on the bottom, it says how many, with 0.006, it can go ahead and buy me 90, what is that? I want to say 96 million, roughly. So I'm going to go ahead and click on swap. Actually, before you guys click on swap, you guys are going to want to make sure you guys go to this little settings icon. And where it says slippage tolerance, you guys are going to want to make sure it says 12. So you just click on 12, exit it, and then go ahead and click on swap. Confirm swap. And then it's going to transfer me over to my wallet. But since I own it already, and since I don't have enough BNB, they're going to charge you a small fee, which is $1.46. It varies. It can be anywhere between $1.50, $1.40. Depending on how many coins you guys are gonna go ahead and buy. But since I don't have enough coins, it does not give me the option to purchase it. So where it says top up smart chain, it would say go ahead and purchase it. It would say buy now, but I can't buy it. So once it says buy, once I purchase it, it wouldn't appear on your guys' wallet. So what you guys would do, it shows it on my wallet because I have already purchased it. But let's say if you guys purchased it, you guys would not see the balance. So you guys want to go on this top right corner, and you guys are going to want to go ahead and type in Baby Doge. Since mine is toggled on, it would appear. But let's say if it was not toggled on, it would not show on your guys' account, like I said. So you guys go on this top right corner, go ahead and type in Baby Doge, and it would appear here. So you guys toggle it on, and then it would show your balance in here. So I hope this video helps, and this is a tutorial how to purchase Baby Doge Coin. If you guys have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them down below. And I'm new to this YouTube channel, and I'm learning as I go with the cryptocurrency and how it works. So I hope this video was useful, and I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, thanks.